In this video, we'll show you Roombr Feed and its features. Roombr Feed is your go-to space for updates and collaboration. Here, you'll find all the published lessons, study materials, assignments, tests, and any updates from other users. Let's explore one by one. Users can watch published lessons in a maximized window. Skip, navigate to the next topic, seek through the video, and attend attached assessment tests. Users can interact with others through comments and reply to comments. To comment, simply click on the right comment column, type your desired comment, and hit the Enter button. Use the Like button to show your appreciation. Additionally, teachers have the ability to delete a post if necessary. Users can share study materials with classes as posts. To post content, simply click the Post option. You will get a pop-up where you can choose an audience, classes, or contacts. Provide the text content, add files or documents, and click on Post. In addition to posts, teachers can also create activities like assignments, tests, or polls. Just click on the respective activity button, create a new activity, or select from the list of existing ones. You can filter posts by media files, polls, assignments, and tests for easier navigation. And that's Roombr Feed for you, your ultimate space for learning and collaboration.
Roombr.